Good morning, class 3rd. We were reading chapter 7, The World of Animals. In this chapter, we have seen animals vary in size, movements in animals. And now in this class, we are going to read page number 43. So students, open page number 43 in your EVS book and keep a pencil with you to underline hard words. I hope that you all have done fun time which is given on page number 42. So now I am going to read Fat ant, centipedes and millipedes have hundreds or more legs. So like squid, centipedes and millipedes have 100 or more legs. Now let's see. Grandma is asking something to us. What is it? Why should we not kill animals? We should not kill animals because killing of animals should be banned as it creates an imbalance in environment. Tails help in different ways. Many animals have tails. They use their tails for different purpose. Purpose means reasons. Answer orally. Name 3 animals that you have seen which have tails. So here you have to tell the name of 3 animals that you have seen which have tails, like kangaroo, squirrel, rabbit, monkey, cow, buffalo. Now first point in tails help in different ways. Most water animals like fish use their tail fin to change direction while moving in water. So many water animals such as fish use their tail fin to turn direction in water. Now the second point. The thick tail of a kangaroo helps it to maintain its balance. The long bushy tail of squirrel also helps in keeping its balance while leaping and climbing. Okay, so here you have to underline bushy. Bushy means thick and leaping means bounce or jump. So you have seen in the second point that the kangaroo's thick tail serves to maintain its balance, as well as the squirrel's bushy tail balances the squirrel's body and helps it to climb and leap. Is that clear? Now the third point. Cows and buffaloes have thin long tails. They use their tails to fly away insects that sit on them. So cows and buffaloes have long tail. They work to remove insects or flies that sit on their body with their tail. Now the next point. A monkey uses its long tail to swing from one branch to another. Underline the word swing. Swing means move or cause to move back and forth or from side to side. Now fat ant A dog uses its tail to express its emotions. It wags its tail when it is happy and puts its tail between its legs when it is scared. So, the dog expresses its feelings by wagging its tail. If it is very happy, then it moves its tail to the right, left, and if it is scared, it puts its tail between its two legs. Now, turn this page. Fun time. These animals have the tails of some other animals. Identify both the animals. Okay. So, you can see in the first figure, this animal is rabbit, and rabbit has tail of squirrel. So here you have to write rabbit and here you have to write squirrel. So can you fill rest empty spaces in the same way? So students, this is your homework. Try to do it in your book. Now, food animals eat. Animals cannot prepare their own food. They feed on things found in their natural surroundings. Most animals spend a lot of time searching for food based on what they eat. They are divided into 4 groups. They are herbivorous, carnivorous, omnivorous and scavengers. So, animals do not cook their own food. They eat those things that happen around them. Many animals spend most of their time looking for food. The animals are divided into 4 parts based on what the animals eat. They are herbivorous, carnivorous, omnivorous and scavengers. So students, that's all for today. In the next class, we will see rest part of 44 page and 45 page. So thank you class.